Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Up with Mary, Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is Tips and Techniques Tuesday. And we're going to do some more, another technique with this Snowfall, Snowfall Accents Puff Paint. We're going to color it. So let's bring it up just a little so you can see what we're going to do. Now, this is from the Mistletoe Magic, and I want to color the, I want to color the berries, the mistletoe berries, and you can see how just a little bit raised, where it is there, it gives it a little 3D. So what I am going to do is, you get something that you can put some of the snow paint in, the puff paint in, just like that. Now you can put it around with toothpick. Then I'm going to just get a small amount. This is Real Red Re-Inker. You don't want to get a lot because then it dilutes it a little too much. So you're just going to go around like that. Okay, and then you can either do it with the toothpick, or I like doing it with a light little paintbrush. One thing you have to remember if you're doing it with a paintbrush is immediately wash it off. Now what you're going to do is, hopefully this, let's get it down. There we go. Now we'll see if we can. Can you see? Yeah. Okay, so we're going to do some more. I do a little at a time because I don't want it to soak in as much when you've got the re-inker in there. It will soak in. I love and again. And then you just do whatever you want. If you want to color it in, you want to do the green, you can do green. And there, you can see it gives it a little, gives it a little depth, little 3D action there. Remember, follow me on YouTube. And everything to make this is listed down below. Have a great day. Bye-bye.